Okay, if you look, come closer, if you look, there's a hood in here, and when you open this is actually the camera. That's just taking 4K videos and very high resolution pictures, right? I'm sure the camera swivels in some ways.
They got a gimbal.
Yeah, you've got a gimbal. So you've got an automatic stabilizer.
You can lock on one position.
Yeah. I don't know what this is.
Sensors.
These are sensors.
This tool is actually what we call the ultrasonic sensors. So if you actually fly,
yes.
if you're not on the sport mode, right? There's a non-sport mode. So if you fly, actually, it will actually stop. So you won't crash directly to the wall.
That's really good. Yeah. That's really good.
You have two more sensors down there, ultrasonic. Down
right,
there.
Indeed. Yes, you can see that. Can you?
Yes, there's two more ultrasonic.
Ultrasonic sensors, right?
Yeah.
Right, and behind that, I don't know what these are, but these are potentially also sensors. So this Mavic Pro is packed with sensors, right? And the algorithms work them together so that this flies in a highly stable way. I've seen some videos flying in strong winds and it's still holding. So it's a perfect little quadricopter which we can use for various reasons. Let's open this. So we're gonna try to charge it because can you tap that button again?
So you see that the intelligent battery says it's only one block, so it's only 1 bar, which means that this battery probably barely alive.
Yes, that's right. So we can't actually fly that.
Yeah.
So when you buy a Mavic Pro, you know that the battery isn't charged. So we've got to charge it. So I can't really fly this for you now, but this will be in another video, I promise. And let's look at the charger. Okay, so let's open this up. We've got a manual here, but do we need a manual to charge a battery? You see, you can immediately charge a few batteries together. So why not we take? Are these the batteries the
These
same?
are spare batteries. Spare batteries. Yeah.
Okay, so let's take this out. This is a mess, isn't it?
Yeah, I think you need to open. Yeah, inside.
Oh, actually, on the other side. How do we open this? From here?
That's the correct way.
Oh, right, okay. So look at the batteries. Okay.
There we go.
So this battery goes in here?
Yep. Oh, you can
Wow.
actually have a parallel charging.
Parallel charging, right?
Yeah, you can have a parallel charging. You can have one more over here.
Let's charge a few up so that we can fly later.
Yeah.
This is so hard to take out. Is this Ch'ng? Okay.
Yeah.
Shall we also take this out? The battery.
Yeah, sure.
How do we take it out?
You take this
Turn
one.
on, off power.
Yeah.
Press once.
Yeah.
Press hold two. So do we need this?
I don't think so.
Okay. So the way to unlock the battery, I believe,
there it is at the side.
just
Yes.
press and take it out. That's simple.
Yes.
We'll clear the table and let's just put it back.
Yeah.
Okay, this is how we're going to charge the battery. So, shall we just charge it right here? Can you come over here? So I'm going to have to plug this in. Right at the bottom. Okay. Alright. And then I'm going to charge. But how long do you have to charge it? So it's saying that it's charging, right? So this too is charging, but is this charging? Is this full, do you think?
I think it's full.
Right?
Let's yeah, I think it's full. Let's
Press once.
And then there's the press. Oh, this one is green color, right?
Right, so you have 4 colors. Right, maybe this is full.
Yeah, this is full.
So we can try it again. Let's see.
Yes, we can try it.
Okay, we're going to try to assemble the Mavic Pro, and we have to get the propellers out yet. In such a box, we've got 2 propellers, and that's perfect. Right, 2 sets of propellers, but you have to know that one of these is unique to one of the motors, and the other one is unique to the others. So you have to find out, right? Essentially, if you come closer, there are grooves in here, okay, and this locks into the grooves, so it's like a socket. You just push it in and turn it. So if this is for this side, let's open this, okay, then it will lock in perfectly. But if you look closer, it says that there's an arrow, which means that if this is for this side, you have to turn it anti-clockwise, okay, which is not for this. So this has got to be for this side. And that's it. Okay? So anti-clockwise to lock. And that's it, I believe. Am I right, Kwong?
Yes, definitely.
And this should be for this side. Press it in, it's like a spring, and turn. Okay? So I think this will adjust by itself, am I right?
Yes. So here's what the manufacturer is saying. Actually, you can actually fold it like this, and when you switch on, the inertia will actually push the blade
right.
into a proper position.
Most
So that's it,
optimized
yes.
position for flying.
Yeah. Okay.
Perfect.
Perfect.
Okay. Now we're gonna
Open.
push this. This is actually not pushing out. It's just
Push it on the
sliding
other side.
that way, and this one slides that way. Okay.
So if it is fully opened,
Okay. So when it
This
lands, does it land that way?
sorry.
Right? Because there's
This one is front definitely.
Ah,
Sorry, this is
right.
at the back.
So where do you land? Do you land it that way?
Yeah, you land it like this.
All right. So it's slightly slanted. If you film it from here, Fui-Theng, if you film it here, see, when it lands, it's sort of slightly slanting. Okay. That's great. I am going to just open this.
We can test it according to here is that you press 2 seconds.
Yeah.
You can hear the sound, the typical sound of the DJI's product,
Right.
and then you can see this one is jerking.
Ah,
so
I
it's
see.
jerking. So it means that it's calibrating by itself.
Okay, so let's
Press 2
see.
seconds.
Okay. 2 seconds, yeah?
Yeah.
1, 2.
Then you can hear the sound.
Hmm?
Yeah, you have to wait for a while. What
Be
happened?
sure to remove the gimbal clamp before power on.
Gimbal clamp,
Where
which is
is-
this one. This whole thing is a gimbal clamp.
Right, I see. So we have to take this off, right?
Yes.
I think we just push this out.
Yes.
Right, just push this out. And this is the clamp, right? So we have to also take this out. Really?
Yeah.
Why they give us so many propellers?
I think that one is extra.
You know, if you buy this in China, everything else is English except for the manual. So let's see. At some point, right, it's operating instructions and how to open this. That's it.
Okay, there you go. The
Right.
gimbal.
So this is actually quite loose because it's a stabilizer. See, it shakes slightly, like a set of rambutan. Okay. So what should we do? We just put this on the ground.
Hi,
and
so
try to
far
operate it?
we have unboxed the Mavic Pro. We've also taken out everything out, charged the battery, and basically assembling the whole system up, and it's connecting. So I'm going to leave the video right here. If you like my video, please subscribe, click the like button. Tell me about your opinion about my my new Mavic Pro, and thank you very much for watching this video.